something that drives me crazy, something that grinds my gears, something that I cannot stand. Long flights, flying for hours and hours and hours. It is something that ah, I go crazy in the plane, in the small enclosed area. I go crazy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. And as you may know, I am from the United States, but I live in Spain, which means to go home and to come back here. Well, I think now Spain is my home. To go visit the United States, it's a long flight, hours and hours in the plane. 10 hours at least for me, and then I have to take another flight. Oof, it's a lot. And those long flights, sitting down on the plane, when you're there, when you're in the plane for hours and hours, I go crazy. Sure, there's things to do, like read a book, and I love to read. I read a book, watch movies. If it's a long flight, normally they have a screen in front of you. But you can watch a movie, you can read a book, you can listen to music. But when you're there for over 10 hours, it's a long time. And of course, I try to sleep. I try to sleep because what else can you do but sleep? And yet, the time goes so slow, and I'm so bored. On top of that, also the seats where you sit are small, are very small because I am not rich. No, I do not have a lot of money. No. So I sit near the back of the plane. I do not sit in the front. I do not sit in first class. First class with the big seats, champagne to drink. No, I sit in economy, near the back of the plane. And the seats are small, and there's not much leg room for your legs. And hours sitting there, my body is tired. My legs hurt. My legs hurt. Everything hurts. And then when you try to sleep, your neck hurts. Oh, normally I travel alone. I do not travel with anyone. So I can't talk. I can't, hi, how you doing? How's the flight for you? No, I'm by myself. And I do not want to talk to the person next to me because I don't know them. And that's another thing that drives me crazy. When you sit next to someone on the plane, someone you don't know, a stranger, someone you don't know, and they want to talk the whole flight. Oof, no. No. That drives me crazy. I cannot stand it. Also, when you fly a very long distance, when you fly a very long distance, the flight is tough. It's long. I feel nervous. I want to be outside. I want to be able to move, be able to stand, stretch, lay down, lay down. And then you get there. But the time is weird. Your body is confused. Your body's confused because of the time change. You experience jet lag. Jet lag, where your body's internal clock, its internal clock is out of sync because the time in the United States, the time in Nevada, where I'm from, is 9 hours different than Spain. For example, right now, it is 11:30 in the morning. In the United States, it's 9 hours earlier. So, right now, it's the morning. Here in Spain, it's Saturday morning. In the United States, it's Saturday very, very, very early in the morning. Saturday at 2:30. Right now it's 2:30 in the morning there. So when you travel and there's a 9-hour time difference, your body is confused. I wake up in the morning at 3 a.m. when I first get to the United States. I wake up at 3 in the morning. I'm not hungry when everyone else is. And I want to go to bed in the afternoon at 5 o'clock. I'm ready to go to bed. It takes a long time to adjust. Long flights are already difficult. They're boring. There's nothing to do. But then you also have jet lag. Oh, long distance travel, it drives me crazy. But I also love to travel. The flight is the worst part, but I think it's worth it in the end. What do you think? And tell me, what do you do on long flights? How do you not feel bored? What do you do? Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more videos of comprehensible input right here with English on Autopilot. We'll see each other in the next video. Bye.